What is good, everyone? Welcome to this weekly trade recap. Today, I'm going to be going over some of the trades that I ended up taking this week. I only took two. I ended up taking one on Thursday and then another one on Friday. So yeah, let's go over Thursday's price action. So on Thursday, I wanted to have some shorts towards towards London session, but 9:30 open and we ended up sweeping out London at what, like, it was nine, like, what is it? 8 minutes into the session, we already sweep out London. So I was looking for for some sort of like 10 a.m. reversal. As you can see here, we ended up tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. I think it's like right here. Yeah, we had a 15-minute fair value gap right here. We ended up tapping in and we respected. So I could have looked for longs towards this 15-minute fair value gap, but I didn't do it since the we had a 5-minute fair value gap, and I only traded the highest time frame inversion. So I was really looking for this trade to get it, but we ended up just like going straight up to the 15-minute, and so I was thinking we could have just go to this 5-minute fair value gap. So I wanted to take some sort of like continuation longs towards it, but so we open up this 5-minute right here, and I was just waiting for it to get tapped, but we were just like start consolidating after 10 a.m. Then at 10:36, we ended up um, getting that 5-minute retrace, and then I took a 3-minute. Yeah, I ended up taking a 3-minute inverse fair value gap to the upside, and my target was a 5-minute. My break even was at this internal high. I put a sell limit here. I got top into it, but then like what, like 9 minutes after that, yeah, 9 minutes after I got top into the trade, I ended up losing it. I did risk on this trade since um it was like we were starting to have some choppy uh price action, but I don't know. I was just, I mean, overall, it was a good trade. Like we had the AMD structure, accumulation, manipulation. I wanted to have the distribution to us of 5-minute, but we did not have it. But it's okay. That was the first loss of the week. So, and then on Friday, right here, I was looking for longs since in I was looking for longs here. Market open, and like 2 minutes into market open, we sweep out London, and we ended up having an SMT with ES here at 9:32. But I think the highest like time for, yeah, here it was a 2-minute. I could have taken this trade. It was really good, but we didn't close above the 2-minute fair value gap, and we just like went straight up to all my targets, which it was the 5-minute and the 15-minute right here. Like my take profit will have in the 15-minute, and my break even will have in this 5-minute right here. But the 2-minute ended up closing way above where I wanted. And most of the time when a trade closes on my break even point, I'm not taking it. Since like it's way over where I wanted to take the trade. So it's not worth it. Plus like this was my target right here. Where I'm like, nah, it's not even worth it. it's not even worth to take that trade. Like what? Nah. So I wanted to see, and the other reason why I didn't take it, it was like because we were like 20 points away from Asia low. So even though we had the SMT, we had like a high time for SMT, so could have a hold. So I wanted to see any some sort of like 10 a.m. reversal towards Asia. I think 10 a.m. open here, and we ended up having that. We ended up having that sweep of Asia, and the highest time frame version here was a 2 minute, I think. Eh, I ended up taking this trade right here. We had a good volume in this candle. It was like a 50 point candle. So I took this trade here. I put my stop loss on the inverse fair value gap low right here, and the low of this fair value gap, and then my target was this buy side. It, I could have just like put my take profit to these highs, but I cannot trade one to ones. Even though this is a 1-to-1 sale, but I kind of want to like just this to be my drawn liquidity. So I don't know. I just like I'm good with 1-to-ones. That's good. And I ended up playing out at what, like 10 minutes? Yeah, 10 minutes into a trade, like 8 minutes into a trade. Yeah, that was it was one win, one loss. Good week, I'll say. So yeah, looking forward to see what next week does. But if anything, I would say like Thursday, I could have just not trade this day. It was just pretty weird. I don't know. It was weird, like consolidating. We already took out all like the drawn liquidity of the day, which was like London. And Friday, it was a good trade. Like we had the AMD structure here, accumulation. Then we ended up manipulating to Asia, and then when we distributed to towards all of this buy side. It was a good trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it.